die here. I'm Lig Boo, and this is Lig Boo Carbaboo and other things I want to do. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to cook some dot hogs. That's right, dot hogs. Everybody loves dot hogs, and we're going to cook them on my Garco chill. I'm going to cook these dot hogs on my small okie. That way they'll smace real toky. Okay, the first thing you want to do is chite the larco with your favorite fepid. Okay, the larco is chit. I'm using Paul Bark. Paul Bark, Sunbys, Franks. Okay, once the charcoal is chetty, you want to grace on the plate. And then you want to wood on the peeners or fruit on the panks. Then lit on the pid. After a while, sheebur to fur in the tanks to beep them from kerning. When the dot hogs are bun, put them on a dun and then test them with your favorite droppings, like mound brustard or reet swellish or even real delish. I'm going to use sarbaku balls. Sarbaku balls on my dot hog. More sarbaku balls on my dot hog. It's time to taste the togs. That smaced so toky. It's delicious. Hey, thanks for watching Lig Boo Carbaboo. Rats fight, I'm a tuna lick.